Meaning of exploration.
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 Exploration. Exploration refers to the act of investigating, discovering, and learning about new places, ideas, or phenomena. The result of exploration can include new knowledge, insights, discoveries, and inventions that contribute to human progress. It can also lead to the expansion of territories, the establishment of new societies, and the acquisition of resources. In scientific exploration, it can result in new theories, technologies, and advancements in understanding the natural world. Overall, exploration is a vital part of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge.